I am presenting these teaching materials to you on behalf of the Executive Governor of Adamawa State, Right Honorable Ahmadu Umaru Fintiri. He has given us this and supplied through the Ministry of Education and Capital Human Development, where the supplies were made by the Honorable Commissioner, uh, Dr. Umar Garba Hela, through the Permanent Secretary, through the Director, Science, and the Acting Executive Secretary of Primary School Management Board. The aim of this teaching material is for us to teach our students. It is only for all the 21 coordinating schools, and therefore I am now presenting you as a biology teacher to make good use of these teaching materials. Thank you so much.